Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Subnautica 2 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your underwater blur settings within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Subnautica 2 on your device, and once you are taken into the homepage, you may continue playing from wherever you last left off, or you can directly go into settings. If you have started playing, then just pause the game and then go into settings. From here, make sure that you are within the graphics tab, and now within display, you will see the underwater blur option. Now, if you turn this feature on, then it will blur objects underwater based on the distance. Now, this can look a little realistic, but it will also place more load on your GPU. After choosing your settings, when you press the escape button, you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to apply your changes. Once you click on apply, it will then be set. You can then continue with your chosen setting, and if you wish to turn this back on or off, you can once again follow the same steps. Go into settings, and then from the graphics tab, you can turn off or turn on the underwater blur settings. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your underwater blur settings on the Subnautica 2 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.